You can give her your time, you can give her your money, you can even give her your heart. But still, she won't truly love you. Because love isn't born from what you hand over. It's born from something deeper, something most men never develop. And until you have this one thing, she will never give you her full love. Epictetus once said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." That's the truth women feel, but never say out loud. She doesn't fall for the man who tries the hardest, she falls for the man who is rooted in himself. So what is this one thing she truly loves? It's not status, it's not wealth, it's not charm, it's inner strength, a strength that comes from Stoic self-mastery. One, emotional control. Most men crumble when tested. They beg when she pulls away. They argue when she's upset. They lose their center the moment she withdraws. But the man who controls his emotions, who stays calm in the storm, becomes unshakable in her eyes. And that calmness, that's what she trusts. That's what she respects. 2. Unshakable purpose. She cannot love a man who is lost. If your life revolves around her, she loses interest. But if your life revolves around a mission, something greater than her, she feels pulled into your orbit. Your purpose becomes the fire that makes you magnetic. 3. Boundaries. She can't cross. Love dies. Where respect dies. If you allow her to walk over you, if you say yes to everything, she won't love you. She'll pity you. But if you calmly enforce boundaries, if you show her your standards, her respect for you grows. And respect is the soil where love takes root. 4. Detachment from neediness. Here's the paradox. The more you chase her, the more she runs. The less you need her, the more she values you. Stoicism teaches us happiness is found within, not in the arms of another. When she sees you're complete without her, that's when she feels real love. 5. Inner strength that cannot be shaken. At the end of the day, it all comes down to this. She loves the man who cannot be broken, the man who is steady when life falls apart, the man who doesn't lose himself when others leave. Because when you are unshakable, you become the one thing every woman secretly craves, safety. So remember this, she never truly loves you until you have inner strength. Not the strength to lift weights, not the strength to shout louder, but the strength to control your emotions, the strength to stand on your purpose, the strength to enforce your boundaries, the strength to walk away if needed. That's when she sees you as more than just a man. That's when she feels she can love you deeply, fully forever. Stay calm, stay unshakable, stay stoic.